I can't see myself. I cannot see myself. I'm using the rear camera. I hope my hair are good. And I'll not be able to tell if I'm still being shot. हो सकता है बीच में कैमरा बंद हो जाए मैं बोलती रहूँ पागल से. This is the story of my life though. Namaste. Hello and welcome to my channel. My name is Rajaswini Bharti and you are watching this video on OJ7. In today's video, I'm going to be sitting down and I will answer a few questions that I got from you all. This is my first Q&A video and this video is going to contain the giveaway that I have. Before I start my video, I want to take a moment and with my whole heart, I want to thank you all for giving me so much of love so soon, for making me reach 1000 subscribers. It means a lot to me. I hope that we have a lot more milestones to cover, but I'll never be able to celebrate the first 1000 subscribers ever again. So to show some gratitude, I have a little giveaway. I'm going to be giving away one top from Street Style Store, sheet mask from Kaya Cosmetics, and the last thing is one call from Sugar Cosmetics. वीडियो देखते रहें. वीडियो में कभी भी I will tell you how you can participate in the giveaway. So without wasting any time, let's move on with the questions. I took the most frequently asked questions and I've written them down on a piece of paper because I'm such a good girl. No, not because I'm such a good girl, because I shoot through my phone and the questions were on my phone, so I thought it'll be more convenient अगर मैं इनको लिख लूँ. The first question is, what has been the best moment in your YouTube journey so far? अगर मुझसे ये सवाल पूछा जाता पहले, if you had asked me this question while I was starting off YouTube, I would have thought that the best moment is going to be when I reach इतने number of subscribers, when I reach so and so number of views, or when I get my channel monetized. But when I look back today, the best part has been, I think, a couple of videos that I created. They are not big in numbers. उनमें ज़्यादा views नहीं है. मुझे लगता है 1000 से भी कम views है दोनों में. The first one is trying to pronounce French brand names. This I did long back when I was starting off. So this was like a random idea and it turned out to be good. I personally liked the final piece of content, and the other is a vlog. I did this honest middle class vlog. It's a very short vlog और उसमें शायद 200-300 कुछ views हैं, लेकिन after making those videos I was happy. I was very satisfied with the outcome. I was able to convey what I wanted to, and I could be very, very organic and myself, and you know, I loved creating those videos. So making those videos has been the best part or my favorite part in the journey so far. The next question is something that is asked very, very frequently to me these days. हर 3-4 दिन में I am asked this question. Why do you do so many hauls, or why do you purchase so many clothes? And what do you do with your old clothes now that I've purchased so many new clothes? So to answer these questions, I will answer them separately into 2 parts. Number 1, why do I do so many hauls? Why have I been purchasing so many clothes? I agree that I've done a lot of hauls in the last 2 months. The sole reason why I've purchased so many clothes and I've done so many hauls is that I have been getting a good response in my haul videos. My haul videos are my most viewed videos on the channel. You all want to watch hauls. What do? I have to do hauls. So this is the only reason why I do so many haul videos. I also want to clarify one thing, that all the clothes that you have been seeing in my haul videos do not belong to me. Don't be surprised. बहुत सारे कपड़े जो मेरे हॉल वीडियोस में मैंने दिखाए हैं, हम लोग क्या करते हैं कि मेरे जो फ्रेंड्स हैं ना, आई एम ब्लेस्ड टू हैव वेरी हेल्पफुल फ्रेंड्स. सो माय फ्रेंड्स अलाउ मी, like we purchase together. Whenever I'm doing a haul, I tell them that I'm planning to do this brand ka haul. If you want to purchase something, let me know. So this is what we do. We order together to save delivery and to get discounts, and then they allow me to use even their stuff in my haul videos. That is how I have been doing the haul videos. My friends are angels, and I'm saying this only because I have to be nice. They are not angels. Coming to the next part of the question, what do you do with your old clothes? Okay, I am actually thankful कि मुझसे ये पूछ लिया गया है because I recently came across a very good solution to this problem, and I'm sure that I am not the only person who suffers with this issue. I'm sure a lot of people over there have this issue. You can't donate everything. You can donate or give away your clothes to some extent, but say for example, you can't really donate a pair of high heels. That's not something, you can't donate something which is very, very fashionable. You can donate the basics, okay? So I recently, while scrolling through Instagram, came across an app. I saw their page, then I downloaded the app. It's called Free Up. As the name suggests, it is going to help you free up space in your wardrobe, in your houses, even in your mind, with release tension that you still have a piece of object which is lying over there and you need to do something about it. So Free Up basically is a platform wherein you can sell the stuff that you can't use anymore, and you can get either cash in return or get points in return, and with points you can purchase other things from the app that are on sale. And it is super convenient, just takes one day for you to sell your stuff, and you can even talk, like the buyer and seller can actually chat in the app. So it's super convenient, it's reliable, they provide you pickup service, you don't have to worry about that. To be honest, when I saw the app initially, my first impression was हाँ ये ठीक ठाक ही है, ठीक ठाक सामान है. But as I spent some time scrolling through the app and I searched through categories of stuff, I found some real gems. I have seen handbags from brands like Caprese, from brands like Lavi. It's insane. And I have seen people selling original MAC makeup. I've seen people selling amazing books for very, very affordable prices or points. So you have to check it out. I am definitely looking forward to using Free Up to declutter my wardrobe. I need it badly and it's here. Okay, the next question is Teri Gardan ka raaz kya hai? This is a question from a friend. A lot of you will not get it. I'll tell you the context. मेरी जो पुरानी वीडियोस रही हैं एक दो, स्पेशली द urbanic haul that I did, उसमें my head is tilted towards left side like this, okay? It's very tilted, it's tilted in the almost the entire video, and a friend sent me this question asking why is your neck like that. I'll tell you. In my last setup, पुराने setup में space का issue था, light वगैरह के लिए मुझे ना बहुत एक specific angle, कभी कभी जैसे आपका charger का wire खराब हो जाता है, एक specific angle में you have to strictly keep yourself in that position so that the phone keeps charging. That was the case in the last setup with me. I had to be in a specific position to be able to shoot the video. The next question is show us your wallpaper. I will show my wallpaper. This is my wallpaper. This is one of the things that I really am working upon. I want to improve my posture. I've had a bad posture for years, so I'm trying to work upon that. मुझे पता है सिर्फ wallpaper लगाने से कुछ नहीं होता है, लेकिन 10 में से एक बार भी if I am able to improve my posture after seeing the wallpaper, why not? So yeah, that's it. Okay, so these were all the questions that I wanted to take up for today's Q&A. This brings us to the end of the Q&A, and now I'll tell you how you can participate in the giveaway. So to participate in the giveaway, you obviously have to be subscribed to my YouTube channel, and to see the rules, you have to go to my Instagram. The link is in my bio, and there'll be a post over there, and you'll be able to read all the rules in the caption. So it's going to be pretty simple. You have to just go there, follow me, read the rules, and do whatever is written, and you'll be participating in the giveaway. Thank you so much for watching. Before I end the video, there's going to be a link to Free Up in my bio. You can download the app and you can check it out, and you can enjoy the benefits of the app. अरे यार यहाँ मत करो हल्ला ना. Not very easy to shoot when you can't look at yourself.